Customer Analytics in OnPost was a world-first OAC implementation by Vertice. It was designed and built to provide customers of OnPost with analytics using a hybrid cloud solution. The dashboard aids the post parcels business by externalizing their data back to the customer. Upon logging into the dashboard, the customer can see their own logo at the top of each page. They can also select from a number of user-friendly prompts to filter their data. A last refresh date gives the customer an indication of when the last hourly refresh of the data warehouse took place. The first page focuses on 4 KPIs. These KPIs are analysed by customers on a daily basis. Each KPI can be viewed at summary level in the form of a bar chart to easily see what is happening day to day. Alternatively, the customer may choose to see their data in tabular format. Or they can focus on exceptions reporting. All metrics are drillable so the customer can see the detail behind each figure on the dashboard. Once at detail level, the customer can drill one step further for each item. Clicking the Track Item icon will take the customer to the source of each item in OnPost's Track and Trace portal. Here, customers can validate the dashboard with the source detail for that item. Instead of KPIs, customers may choose to view their data at a higher level using performance tiles. Each performance tile contains a drill menu to get to the detail for each figure on this dashboard page. The Delivery Sites map offers a spatial representation of what is going on a daily basis. This map view can help indicate problem areas around the country. Customers can again drill to detail behind each map figure all the way back to the source in OnPost's Track and Trace portal. We will now take a look at self-service analytics using data visualization in OAC. Users can access DV from the Home section in OAC. From here, they can build visualizations on the fly by typing in the search bar or using the built-in voice recognition on their device. I will act as a regional manager in this example and build a quick and powerful overview using DV. First, I will change the chart type as I wish to see a percentage of total items by region. Once I'm happy with the current view, I can carry my work into DV where I'll find more features and functionality. We can begin by adding more colour to help us analyse the data. To add more colour, simply add an attribute or measure to the colour section in the Explore panel. We can also change the default colour palette in Project Properties. There's a large range of different palettes to choose from, and also an option of adding your own custom colour palettes to data visualization. Let's stick with Stockholm for now. As a regional manager, I may also want to analyse the city's performance associated with each region. To create another visualization, simply hold Ctrl, select your attributes, then right-click. We can choose to add these to the current visualization, or we can let the tool create the best visualization. The tool will use machine learning to pick the best visualization possible based on your selections. We can set the properties to use one view to filter the results of another. I will be using the separate regions to filter the cities in the visualization below. Regional managers can now filter based on what region they are assigned to in Ireland. We can also add the current canvas as an insight and begin to build a story of insights. Let's create another view to add as an insight. We can choose our own visualizations from a list instead of allowing the tool to do so. Double-click to add it to a canvas, then select your attributes and measures that you wish to analyse. These two can be added by double-clicking or by dragging to the desired section in the Explore panel. In this canvas, we will analyse the total items by the delivery status. We want to again give the option to filter the data. However, this time we will use the filter section in DV by simply dragging destination region into the filter panel. Regional managers can then make selections based on the region that they are assigned to. We can then add this canvas as an insight to expand our story of insights. If we navigate to the Narrate tab, we can edit the insights for presentation. We can rename each insight to something more meaningful. And we can also give the insight a description. Descriptions can help tell a user what they are analysing, or can also give them instructions for the current canvas. We can then change to presentation mode to get a better look at the data. From the inside description, the regional manager then knows that the first visualization is used as a filter. The regional manager may want to focus on the best performers. Making a selection and right-clicking and then keep selected will allow them to do so. They can also add reference lines to the canvas. Here I am adding an average reference line for the not delivered measure. This quickly tells me the average of my best performers. Regional managers can navigate to the next insight in the story and begin to analyze and filter the data. There are also more options in DV, such as export to PowerPoint or PDF. These can be included in emails or documentation, or simply shared amongst your organization. Finally, we will now take a look at Oracle's day-by-day mobile application for customer analytics. Your OEC username and password are used to log into the application. The first thing we see is the Smart Feed. This is a list of cards with personalized visualizations defined by you for your personal or your business needs. Just like DV, you can type or use voice recognition to return results based on the metadata in the subject area. Let's look for successfully delivered by week number and reason. The application can be very useful for regional managers who are traveling on business around the country. Once we see results, we can click a visual for a closer look at the data. From here, we can add comments or easily change the chart type. We can return back and add this chart to our Smart Feed for later use. This will now appear at the top of our Smart Feed. DaybyDay also has powerful bringback functionality. Reports can be run at a specific date, time, or even a location. We can also choose to share this report with nearby users or crews. And that concludes our customer analytics demo on OAC showing externalized dashboards, data visualization, and the Oracle day-by-day mobile application. In summary, customer analytics at OnPost has been received very well, with the new hybrid cloud solution being used on a daily basis.